Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're a woman who loves spending time by the water but dreads the swimsuit struggle, you're not alone. I'm coming to you today from my sunny backyard, where the birds are chirping and my grandkids are already begging for pool time. At my age, swimwear isn't just about fashion, though I'll never say no to a pretty print. It's about feeling comfortable, supported, and like myself. That's why I was intrigued by the Aqua Eve Women Plus Size, Tankini. Priced at just $30, it promises comfort, coverage, and a little modern style without making you feel like you're swimming in yesterday's fashion. I wasn't sure what to expect, but I'll be honest, I've tossed away more than one plus size swimsuit that claimed to deliver and didn't. So I approached this one with cautious hope. Now, after wearing it through sprinklers, splashes, and even a dip or two, I'm ready to share the real story, starting with how it truly feels to wear something that finally seems designed with women like us in mind. Well, let me tell you, I've been on the hunt for a swimsuit that actually flatters my shape for years. Someone who's got a fuller figure, a bit of a tummy to tuck away, and let's be honest, girls that aren't exactly springing back like they did in my 30s. So when I came across the Aqua Eve Women Plus Size Tankini, I thought, why not give it a try? And sweetheart, I'm so glad I did. Right off the bat, the fit made me feel confident. I'm 5 feet 7 inches, about 208 pounds, and built more like an apple than an hourglass. And this suit hugged me in all the right places without squeezing the life out of me. The top has that soft cup lining, wireless, thank goodness, which gives just enough support without digging in. And the flowy tank top style? It drapes beautifully over the midsection, like a gentle curtain of confidence. I didn't feel like I was swimming in a tent or stuffed into a sausage casing. It's the kind of coverage that feels modest but still stylish, perfect for someone like me who wants to enjoy the water without feeling exposed or self-conscious. Now, let's talk about the shorts, the bottoms. Oh, they're a dream. I've had swimsuit shorts that ride up, roll, or cling in all the wrong places, but these, they stay put. They're loose enough to be comfortable, not tight around the thighs, and the waistband sits snug, but not constricting. I was a little worried they might slide down in the water, especially if I were to take a quick dip or maybe do a little splash with the grandkids, but honestly, they held up just fine during a few rounds in the pool. The material is thick, not at all see-through. I tried it in navy and you cannot see a thing through it, which is such a relief. And after a few washes, I'm happy to report the color hasn't faded one bit. That tells me this isn't some flimsy, one-season wonder fabric. This suit feels like it's made to last. And for $30, that's a steal for something this well-made and thoughtfully designed. One of the things I love most is how it feels when you're wearing it. It doesn't scream, I'm in a swimsuit. It's more like you're in a cute summer dress that just happens to be pool ready. The material is soft but sturdy, and it dries pretty quickly, which is great when you're bouncing between sunbathing and dipping in the water. I wore it to a family pool party, and not once did I have to hike anything up or adjust straps that were slipping. The adjustable straps are a nice touch. They're strong. Not those flimsy little strings that break after two wears, and you can even cross them in the back if you want a little more support or a different look. I left mine straight. They fit perfectly right out of the bag and didn't dig into my shoulders, which is a blessing. I know some other women have mentioned the top runs a bit small or doesn't offer enough support for larger busts, and I can see that. For me, it worked. My 49-inch ribcage and full chest felt contained but not squished. But if you're very busty, you might want to size up or consider an underwire option elsewhere. Now, let's keep it real. No suit is perfect. I did notice that the top can float up a bit when you're submerged, so if you're planning on doing laps or diving in, you might want to be mindful. And while the support was great at first, I've heard and noticed a little myself after heavy use that the fabric can stretch out over time, especially with frequent wear and washing. That's not a deal breaker for me, but it's something to keep in mind if you're planning to live in it all summer. Still, for occasional wear or weekend trips, it holds up beautifully. I also appreciate that the edges aren't hemmed, but they don't look unfinished, just clean and modern. It doesn't have that cheap, frayed edge some swimwear gets after a few washes. I've worn this to the beach, the community pool, even just lounging by my granddaughter's inflatable pool in the backyard, and I've gotten compliments every single time. It's flattering, fun, and comes in the most vibrant, pretty patterns. I chose the navy, but I'm tempted to get another in a floral print just because it feels so good to wear. It's not just functional, it's joyful. And at my age, I don't have time for clothes that make me feel anything less than fabulous. This suit lets me play with my grandkids, float in the water, or sip lemonade by the pool without worrying about how I look. It covers the areas I'd rather keep private, but still makes me feel cute and put together. All in all, if you're a woman who wants coverage without sacrificing style, comfort, or dignity, this Tankini is worth every penny. It's not just swimwear, it's confidence in fabric form. Whether you're curvy, busty, tall, or apple shaped like me, there's a good chance you'll find a size and fit that works. Just pay close attention to the sizing chart. Some say it runs true, others say size up. I'd say go with your gut and maybe order two if you're unsure. But once you find your fit, it's gold. I might just have to grab a second one for vacations. It's rare to find something this practical that still makes you feel a little bit pretty. And at this stage in life, that's worth its weight in seashells. If this review helped you feel more confident about finding a swimsuit that works for your shape, do me a favor. Give that like button a little splash and subscribe for more real talk from this grandma in the know. Don't let another summer slip by feeling frumpy. Dive into confidence with a community that's got your back, curves and all.